If you've been collecting watches for a while, you've probably heard the same advice. Buy vintage, there's nothing quite like an old mechanical watch. The history, the craftsmanship, the character, and honestly, I completely understand why people love them. But personally, I've always struggled a little bit with vintage mechanical watches. Not because I don't appreciate them, I absolutely do. There's something amazing about wearing a watch that has survived decades, but the reality is, vintage mechanical watches need love. And this to me is one of those stories. Because I went online and I bought a vintage quartz watch. This is the Junghans Excellence Quartz. Now, if you know a little bit about watches, this is a watch from a respected German manufacturer that proves vintage quartz might just make us rethink everything we thought we knew about watches and vintage watches. And this is nothing mind-blowing. Now, the interesting thing about this watch is that I didn't find it sitting on Chrono24 and I didn't find it at a local dealer anyway. This came from Japan, and that's actually what makes the watch even more interesting because Japan has a fascinating watch culture. Collectors there are known for taking incredible care of their watches. The Japanese marketplaces are full of interesting pieces that many collectors outside Japan simply never get to see. But what's the problem? Well, actually buying one. This is where JP Fans actually comes in. JP Fans acts as your buying agent in Japan and it gives you access to other Japanese websites. You find the watch you want, they purchase it locally, they receive it at their warehouse, they inspect it and they take photos of it, and then they help and ship it internationally to you. So instead of wondering, how do I actually buy this on those websites, the process is made a whole lot easier by JP Fans. They have a support line that allows you to talk to them directly in case you have any issues with the buyer. And again, they will help you get the watch delivered to your house. They box it, they ship it, and you get it a few days later. You can find the link down below in the description box next to that like button to JP Fans. Thank you, JP Fans, for allowing me to buy the Junghans and for making the process a whole lot easier and for getting me back into vintage watches once again. When the watch first arrived, I honestly wasn't sure what to expect because let's be honest, when someone says vintage quartz watch, your first thought probably isn't, wow, this is super exciting. But the first thing was that I was very surprised with design, considering the fact that this is a very simple case with not a lot of excitement to it as someone would see it. And to me, this doesn't feel like a forgotten watch. It feels international. It feels like someone designed this properly. The TV shaped case immediately caught my attention. And what's interesting is the style is everything again today. So this is back in fashion. I've seen a few micro brands and also a few big brands redoing this today, like Cartier, Longines, and so on and so forth. Everyone is revisiting the shape, but Junghans, they were there already decades ago doing it, and that's what I love about it. Sometimes they aren't old fashions, sometimes just brands were ahead of the game. The case finishing, the dial, the texture, the bracelet, let's talk about the details because this is where Junghans really started to shine. The brushed case gives this an understated look, whatever brushing is left on it. It doesn't scream for attention. Then you have these polished chamfers that catch the light beautifully. The silver dial is, whatever silver is left out of it, is probably my favorite part. It almost has this linen-like texture, that aged look, and adds another layer of character. Something that you really need to see in person because photographs, well, it just looks like a simple silver dial with a tiny bit of texture. But in reality, it gives the watch so much more personality. The integrated mesh bracelet completes that 70s, 80s futuristic feel. And this bracelet is almost in mint condition. So smooth and honestly, no bend in it at all. Well, it confirms on the wrist, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Going back to the dial, there is no huge branding, no unnecessary text, no complicated name, just excellent quartz. And honestly, I respect that because again, as small as it looks, imagine if this was released today, it would probably be called the Junghans Excellent Quartz Heritage Ultra Titanium Precision Chronograph GMT Professional Edition. But thankfully, Junghans kept it simple. Outside of design, there is another thing that I think we ignore these days. Watches used to be way smaller, and funny thing is, we all like that. Everyone wore small watches. Even if this is super tiny on my wrist, I genuinely like that. I feel that modern dimensions are made to fit certain criteria. Like a diver needs to be 40 millimeters for any reason because it needs to have this much water resistance and so on and so forth. And a dress watch needs to be a certain way. I think we are moving away from the origins of things. This looks absolutely great on everything, and that's the beauty of it. It's so elegant, and I don't even question it. I don't even care if it's too thin. The only downside is the water resistance, as it comes with all these quartz watches or all the vintage watches. Honestly, do I really care? No, because the gasket is probably disintegrated and I'm not going to bother changing it, if even when I change the battery. Until then, I'm fine. But with that out of the way, guys, I really enjoyed this vintage Junghans, and it sort of allowed me to see that you don't need to spend a lot of money. I only spent around 70 euros on this, and honestly, I'm very happy with it. It is in great condition, and it's a beautiful, beautiful watch from a big brand. Will it stay in my collection? I don't know at the moment. I'm just enjoying it. If you really like this video, guys, click a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't so. Thank you very, very much for watching. Click JP Fans down below. Check out JP Fans down below in the description box. Thank you very much for watching once again. Welcome back to the new studio. It's a new room, moved house. I hope you like it. Let me know in the description box below if you want me to change anything or if you want me to have a different setup to sort of tailor it better. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.